Hello everyone. Exercise 9.2, question number second. Look at the question. AB line parallel to the CD. AB is parallel to CD. Parallel means this is the sign of the parallel. Parallel means when two lines are moving in the same direction but they never meet with each other. So these lines are called parallel lines. AB parallel to CD. EF is a transversal, means EF is a transversal. EF intersect the AB line and CD line and different points. intersect कर रही है, जहाँ intersect करती है वहाँ पे angles draw होते हैं. Clear? In this question we have to find the angle A, angle B, angle C, D, E, F and G. We have to find the value of these angles. Only one angle is given to us. Via 45 degree we will find the remaining 7 angles. Look at this. You have to just keep a few angles name in your mind. Firstly, vertical opposite angle, corresponding angles, alternate exterior angles, alternate interior angles and one more, linear pair. You have to keep these points in your mind. Okay. Now look at this question. Find the value of A. A and 45. A is equal to 45. Why? जो A एंगल है वो 45 के इक्वल क्यों है? Because this is the vertical opposite angle and vertical opposite angles are equal angle. So A is equal to 45 degree. Now we find out the value of 45 degree. Now we have to find the value of B. Just look at this. This is the straight line and two angles are forming linear pair. This angle A and angle B forming 180 degree. If angle A is 45 degree, so angle B is subtract the 45 from 180, so the remaining angle is 135 degree. Clear? Now B and C again both are vertical opposite angle. So B is the 135, so C is also 135 because C is the corresponding angle. Clear? Easy. A, B, C. We already find it. Now move to the E, D, F, G. B and E. B and E are corresponding angles. I already told you in my previous video, corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, vertical, all these angles already clear to you. Okay. Now B and E is the corresponding angle. So if B is the 135 degree, E is also 135 degree. Clear? E and G, vertical opposite angles. These are vertical opposite angles. Oh, so if E is the 135 degree, so G is also 135 degree. Clear? Now 45 degree and F. Again both are equal. Why? F and 45 is corresponding angles. One more thing. These are corresponding angles. You can say that G, wait, C and G. C and G are also vertical opposite angles. C is 135, G is also 135 degree. Clear? E and G vertical opposite angles. Another reason is E and G vertical opposite angle. D and F vertical opposite angles. F and 45 corresponding angles. G and F linear pair. आप कोई भी रीज़न दे सकते हो. Both are everything is A and F. A and F 45 alternate exterior angle. B and G alternate exterior angle. Clear, students? Now question number 4. In figure 9.28, this is the figure. P parallel Q with transversal M and angle 1 is 75 degree. Find the value of X. angle 1 is given to us and angle x is given to us, but the value of only angle 1 is given, but x, we have to find the value of x. But how can we find it? Just wait. We can't find the x and 1. Actually 1 and x, neither they are exterior angles, neither they are interior angles, nor they are corresponding angles. So how can we calculate these numbers, sorry, calculate these angles? Look at this. First of all, look at this. This is the straight line, angle 1. I am taking another angle, angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 both are linear pairs. Both are linear pairs, so they form 180 degree. When they combine, they form 180 degree, or as you know, already one angle is given is the 75. So the remaining one is the 105. When you subtract 75 from 180, so 105 comes. 180, when we sum up, so 180 comes. Now x and angle 2, angle x and angle 2 are equal. Why 105? Why? Reason. Why? Because they are the corresponding angles. Clear, students?